In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create internal links in PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Setting up these links can significantly improve the navigation within your documents, making them more user-friendly and accessible. Now, let's jump right into the process. First, you'll want to have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC open. Once you've got it running, open up the PDF file you want to work on. This is crucial because we'll be making all our edits directly on this document. Once your document is open, we need to prepare to add a link. To do this, navigate to the top menu and go to Tools. Under Tools, look for Edit PDF. If you don't see this option immediately, again, click on Tools to ensure it's enabled. This is your gateway to the editing toolbar and necessary for adding any links. Next up, it's time to create the link. You'll want to select Link from the toolbar and choose Add or Edit. Sometimes it might be labeled as Add or Edit Web or Document Link, depending on your version of Acrobat. When you select this option, your cursor will transform into a crosshair. This indicates that you're ready to define the link area. Now, let's draw the link area. Use your cursor to drag a rectangle around the text or image you wish to turn into a link. Be precise with this step because this area determines what's going to be clickable in your document. After you've defined the link area, a dialog box will pop up asking you to choose the link action. For linking within the same document, select the option Go to a Page View. This lets you create a jump to a different page within your PDF. Alternatively, if your goal is to link to an attached PDF within the same document, you'll opt for Open a File. If you're linking to a specific page within the current PDF, you'll want to click Next. This is where you can define the destination. Here you have the ability to set the page number or even adjust the zoom level. You can also use the Go to View option to pick the exact view you want your users to be taken to. In the case of linking to an attached PDF, after selecting Open a File, navigate to the file list provided in your version and select the attachment you desire as your link target. If the interface presents different options, look for terms like Go to Attachment or Attach File for guidance. Once you've set everything up, you'll need to click either Set Link or OK to finalize the action. After completing this, be sure to save your document. It's important to test your newly created link by clicking on it. Make sure it takes you to the correct location or opens up the intended attachment. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.